Look at that beautiful orange color. I gotta put this on the side of me so I can drink it while I film this video.
Hello, it's Cindy. In this video, we're gonna be taking a closer look at the Born Pretty Summer Soda Gel Polish Collection. And yes, I'm probably sounding a little weird right now because this is not voiceover Vanna. This is in real-time camera audio Vanna. I'm filming this video with the audio from my Rode mic from my camera because my mic that I use to voiceover is not working right now. So we're doing things a little bit different today. This set comes with 6 gel polishes. It's available on Amazon. Last time I checked, it was relatively affordable. They're supposed to be jellies, colorful jellies. Let me open it here. Oh my goodness, they're not in there. No, I'm just kidding. I actually, if you are one of my live viewers, we opened it on live and looked at them. So yeah, they're actually right next to me. Let's go ahead and swatch the colors, and then maybe we'll do some pool nail art with them, because this blue is standing out to me.
We need some assistance from my friendly neighborhood slap.
Alright, so these gel polishes don't have names, but they have numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they just have numbers like that. Let's go ahead and swatch the first one, which is a orangey yellow. I have had great success with Born Pretty's jelly-like polishes, so I think that I'm gonna definitely like these. And look at that beautiful color. It is a orangey yellow. It makes these fake clear press-on nails literally look like glass or ice. Now let's swatch 2, which is a lovely green jelly. Ooh, look at that. Do you see that? These also paint on very nicely. Beautiful green. All right, let's swatch number 3, which is a blue. Actually looks more like a bluish green. All right. Look at that beautiful blue. This is more of a ocean blue right here. Look at that, beautiful. Let's swatch number 4. Okay, so this one is a darker blue. And that is absolutely beautiful, this color. Now, I would say this one right here is more of an oceany greenish blue. And this one's more of a, like, just kind of a darker, trying to think of a word, patriotic blue. That's what it's like. All right, let's go to the thumb and swatch number 5. All right, so this is definitely more of a fuchsia pink-ish purple. Ooh, it's beautiful. You know me, I love me some pink. That is so beautiful and transparent. These are gels, so they gotta be cured in the lamp. But before I cure them in the lamp, I'm gonna turn them over and even out the gel. It will pool in just the right place, and then I'm gonna cure it for about 30 seconds in the lamp. All right, ready to cure off camera because my lamp's over here. Whee! Right, we gotta swatch the 6th one, but of course, Slap ran out of fingers, so we'll just add a finger there. Let's swatch it on this one. And here is number 6, and it is a beautiful neon pink. Look at that color. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this one's definitely gonna reflect more orangey under a blue light, so it's a lot. It's neon. Got neon colors in there. I can't get my lamp in the shot, but it's glowing orange under the lamp light. Okay, so here are the colors in one coat. Now, they're never going to be opaque, of course, because they're jellies, but I always suggest doing 2 coats of each jelly-like color because it just enhances glass-like effect. So if you get these, I suggest doing 2 coats. I don't think you have to do more than 2. Because it's not really an opaque kind of thing, you know? So let me go ahead and apply another coat of each color. Alright, so here are the colors. They are absolutely gorgeous. Love them. Perfect for summer, hence summer soda. Why don't we take that number 3 polish and do some pool nail art with it? It's this one right here. I think it will be perfect. This one also would probably work too. They're both beautiful, but let's try this one. Thanks for assistance, Slap. I'm going to ask for your assistance from your twin sister, High Five, to help me with this pool nail art. To kick off this pool nail art, we're going to need some jelly white. I got the Born Pretty jelly white here. And it's basically just like a white polish, but more jelly-like. It's not opaque. If you don't have a jelly white, you can DIY your own. You can just mix a little white gel polish and a little clear gel polish, and it should make it look jelly-like. So let's apply some jelly white to the nails. And I'm back. It has been a couple of days senders. I had to stop filming that day. Half a second edit for you, couple of days for me. Now we're back making these pool nails. I'm also in the CCS now. After I've cured that white jelly in the lamp, I'm going to grab some watercolor gel. This is the key to the pool water effect. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the nails, and I'm going to apply just one coat. You could do one nail at a time if you want to. So I'll do 2 nails at a time here. If you hear something in the background, the cats are also in here with me. Now I'm going to take that blue watercolor. And this is important. I figured out in my live of doing this, if you watch me live, this tip right here, you're basically going to need something round and small, just like this dotting tool. Not too small, kind of like that, to make the water droplets. Now, if you just use, lock in, this is important, if you can just use the brush right here and drop it on your nails like this, but I have noticed that does add more blue gel to the nail. And with doing that, adding more blue, the nail actually looks more like the ocean, not a pool that's in the backyard. So it would be almost like ocean nails. But if you do it with something smaller, like a dotting tool, maybe a toothpick, the back end of a pen, something that's smaller, it's going to make the water droplets look like a pool. So yeah, that's the difference between ocean and pool. Bigger brush, more like the ocean. But since I'm doing pool nails, I'm just going to use this dotting tool, and I'm just going to put drops. The most important thing is the watercolor gel. The watercolor gel will make it so where, as you can see, the droplets are spreading. Typically, I think that you should just fill up the nail with drops. You should just like let it spread a little bit. Of course, I use watercolor gel is you don't cure it in the lamp. You just apply it to the nail. Apply your color. Let that color spread to what you desire, what you want it to look like, and then cure it in the lamp. This has spread very nicely, and I'm satisfied with it, so I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp, which is off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some watercolor gel to the other nails and just add the rest of our little water pool drops. This is a layered look, so you don't want to fill up the nail with a bunch of dots, because once you've cured it again, you want to go back in with another color or the same color. Now that this is cured in the lamp, we can do one or two things. We can apply the same gel color that we applied, which was 03 right here, to the negative spaces that we left, or we can apply a completely different color, but of course staying in the same color code, blue, because this is blue water, a different shade of blue to give it a little depth. I've done it both ways, and I like both ways. But I think today I'll try this darker blue, number 4, in the negative spaces. But if you don't have two different types of blue, you can just use the same blue again. It'll still have that layered look. So let's go ahead and apply more watercolor gel. And of course, don't cure it in the lamp. Taking my dotting tool, I'm just gonna put some nice, lovely blue dots in the places that I didn't previously put that other color. I am applying more dots to these nails because these nails are really long. So this second round, I am definitely applying more dots than the first round. I almost feel like this is a design that's a little easier to do on short nails, if that's crazier enough to say. All right, I'm gonna turn these nails over. And then I'm going to cure them in the lamp. Woo! They're cured in the lamp, and you can leave them like this, but you can also keep layering and add a jelly white to them to add more definition. It does get pretty thick on your nails though if you keep applying the jelly white in between every layer, but you could add another layer of jelly white. Add another coat of watercolor gel. And don't cure that in the lamp. Add another row of dots. And that's just going to enhance that water effect. Now that we got our water effect going on, the sky's the limit with nail art. We could add some maybe seashells, some fish, some sharks here. I think I'm gonna go with a lifesaver floaty thing and maybe an anchor. I'm gonna take my tweezers and pick up these nail stickers because it's really hard to pick these up without a tweezer. So I'm gonna suggest if you're using nail stickers, make sure you invest in a good tiny tweezy. When you're applying nail stickers, make sure that all of the edges of the sticker is down or they'll peel up. I make that mistake all the time. Now that we're all safe with our lifesavers in the pool, I'm going to go ahead and seal them in with a nice top coat. Before I cure this gel top coat in the lamp, I'm going to turn my nails over as per usual. The gel evens out, and then we're going to cure in the lamp. So there are my pool nails. I really love how these turned out. I've already worn them on my short nails, and it's such a fun and kind of intricate design to do, but it's very simple. I will link everything that I used down in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. These colors from this collection are absolutely beautiful. Some of them I would say are perfect for pool nails. I've been wanting to try the Born Pretty Summer Soda collection forever now. I first started looking at it back in May, and that was like almost 3 months. I really like the affordability of these Born Pretty polishes. They are not super expensive, but the quality and the vibrance of the color is just beautiful. I couldn't end this video without talking about my thoughts on soda. Yeah, I particularly kind of like this orange pop from Dollar Tree. You can probably tell that I am not a pop drinker because I would probably be telling you, well, Dr. Pepper, I don't know, Coke Cherry, you know. I would probably be saying the name brands of pop if I was a pop drinker. But I tend to kind of like this orange pop. I don't know, I kind of like fruity pops. I like grape too. Well, I guess I like root beer. So, yeah, if I was going to drink a pop, I would probably drink something fruity, maybe some root. I don't know, I can't really handle Coke or Dr. Pepper or Pepsi. Like, that's just too strong for me. And I do not like Mountain Dew. I definitely prefer the ones that are caffeine free. Because, like, I drink some coffee in the morning, that's all the caffeine I can handle. It is a very summer thing. Like, you put ice in it. Be a little, for me, a little fruity with your burgers or something, like grilled, you know. For our journey to continue, please click right here. And remember, ascenders, that our dreams ascend to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.